Wow. That's what I call a tree. I heard a big snap. I mean, it was a big snap. Yeah, the big snap, it come from over there somewhere. You heard it. Yeah, that was strange. Big snap. Last time I was here, there was a very strange footprint. Of an animal. I was wanting to go check it out. It's down here. I couldn't figure it out. I couldn't figure out what the track was. It was just strange. I've never seen anything like it in my life. First time. It was right down here. Yeah, and I heard a big snap. Yeah, it was like somebody's been here. Yeah, whatever it was, it come across this. It come across here. That's where it come across. So this is where. There it is, right there. The footprint's still there. Went right into there. Clay bake with 3 holes in it. Look at that root, dude. Absolutely beautiful, guys. What a great experience to get out in nature. I seen a trout. It's like a 10-inch trout. $10 to 12-inch trout. About all it is. And it was underneath one of those wallets. That's about it. Yeah, look at those rocks right there. Are those rocks? Those are chunks of clay. How in the heck did that get there, dude? Someone had to have done that. Look at those great big chunks of clay. Something put that there. They picked it off the clay bank where the 3 holes was, probably. It looks like there's some kind of print in that one. I don't know. My coyote. You having fun, buddy? Huh? Yeah. He's my coyote. Yeah, I kind of want to go. I want to check out those clay chunks of clay there, stacked up. Come on, come here. Actually, I'm gonna go back and come on. I'm gonna go back and count those chunks of clay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chunks of clay. And it's got like a print in it, looks like some kind of track. Come on. Come on, let's go. Yanni, come on, let's go. Come on. Yanni. Yeah, when he disappears like that, when he doesn't come when I call him, it scares me. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you like. I'm just out enjoying a nature walk with my dog. I mean, there's really nothing else left that I can think of. I mean, there's nothing better than going out on a nature walk with your dog. I mean, it's great. So yeah, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.